Morning. Alright then, while I'm on a roll. What do you call this? A bullet? I think this is. This came courtesy of Nick, Yale's Leviathan. Cracking lock, mate. I've not done lots with it. I was a little intimidated by it, but again, I picked it up this morning. Bottom of keyway with a. This one's cut to like a wedge. It just seems to slip in there and doesn't bind as much. Now I've tried lots of different picks, and then I tried a half diamond, and it does seem to respond better to a half diamond. He says. There you go, just a quick one. So ILS sprung, 6 pins, no bitting, no keyway. But anyway, pretty little thing. I'll have a good bit more practice at this and I'll pass this on to one of you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and take care.